Have you ever pondered the impact of artificial intelligence on our daily lives? How it's intricately woven into the fabric of our existence, subtly influencing our decisions and actions? Consider this. We are in an era where machines are learning, adapting, and performing tasks that were once exclusive to human intelligence. Isn't that a marvel to behold? Let's dive into the two main categories of artificial intelligence: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is a specialized form of artificial intelligence. It's designed and trained for a specific task or a set of tasks, operating within a limited context. Picture your virtual assistant, be it Siri or Alexa, that helps you navigate your day. Think about the recommendation systems that suggest your next binge-worthy series, or the image recognition software that identifies your friends in photos. These are all examples of narrow AI, working within their programmed capabilities, excelling in their specific tasks, but incapable of performing outside their designated realm. On the other hand, we have general AI, sometimes referred to as strong AI. This is a hypothetical form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply its intelligence across a wide range of tasks, mirroring human intelligence. Imagine a machine that could compose a symphony, write a novel, and then turn around and diagnose a complex medical condition. That's the promise of general AI. However, it's still largely theoretical and remains an uncharted territory in AI research. Artificial intelligence is not a standalone concept, it's an umbrella term that encompasses various subfields, each with its own unique capabilities. From machine learning that enables systems to learn from data, natural language processing that helps machines understand human language, to computer vision that allows them to recognize and interpret visual information, these technologies are the cogs that power the wheel of AI. These technologies are finding applications across a range of industries. They're revolutionizing healthcare, driving innovation in finance, transforming transportation, redefining gaming, and enhancing customer service. They're automating tasks, enhancing decision-making processes, and improving overall efficiency and productivity. In essence, narrow AI is the reality of the present, specialized and task-specific, while general AI is the dream of the future, a vision of machines with broad cognitive abilities. The impact of AI in all its forms is undeniable. It's reshaping our world, changing the way we live, work, and interact. So, as we progress in our understanding of AI, let us remember that it's not just about creating intelligent machines, but also about enhancing human life, making it more efficient, more convenient, and perhaps a little more interesting.